Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Halloween effect wallpaper on your home screen. So Samsung's wallpaper tools, along with the AI customization and Good Lock, it allows you to design festive seasonal themes like the Halloween wallpaper. So you can add effects such as a raining pumpkin or maybe glowing pumpkin, flickering lanterns, and animated objects falling in the background to make your home screen more immersive. So it's a way to bring creativity and seasonal spirit directly into your daily phone experience. So here I want to go ahead and use this pumpkin, and I want to go ahead and create like a raining pumpkin wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this. So we'll go ahead and use this wallpaper and this pumpkin here. So in order to do this, we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're going to go ahead and open up the Wonderland module. Here we'll go ahead and create your own moving wallpaper. So first we'll go ahead and choose the plus sign and we'll go ahead and choose that wallpaper. So from the gallery. Now next you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign and you want to go ahead and choose a particle preset. So here you want to go ahead and choose little snow, snow or heavy snow. We'll go ahead and choose snow. However, we want to go ahead and change the image. So we're going to go ahead and choose that image from our library, which is that. Now we'll go ahead and choose preview. And as you can see, you have falling pumpkins falling in a snow manner. You can go ahead and choose this and make it as a droplet, as a heart. So these are all the different animations which you can choose. You can go ahead and choose the duration, the size, the amount, and many other different settings you can play around with here. Go ahead and tap on preview and you'll see those on your home screen. So now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on save. Now go ahead and give this a name. Now go ahead and tap on set as wallpaper. And since we just want this for our home screen, so we'll go ahead and choose home screen. And then we'll go ahead and tap on home. So now as you can see, when we look at our home screen, we have falling pumpkins in our background. So this is like a seasonal wallpaper which keeps your phone feeling new and festive. So it's a simple way to express personality and create a fun, eye-catching home screen on your Samsung Galaxy device. So there you go guys, that is how to create the Halloween effect wallpaper on your home screen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.